like CNI
Right.
aggregate, large farm thing are also different.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So y- one of the unique things about CPS, if I remember correctly, is the fact that you don't just sell these hardware solution sets, but you also have the engineering and design and pre-sales, post-sales support team that acts as a consultant along with all that. Is that Would that be a correct statement?
We are still a equipment provider only.
Yep.
Our service is based on our product only. So we service our own product. If
Right.
if this is being sold as a part of a solution to a site or a project, we are only responsible for our product because obviously
Right.
other product we're not expert in that,
Other,
and
right.
they have their own supply to service that part.
Right.
But we do have our service team working in the US. Our service department is in Dallas. We have a large service team taking care of different technical issues coming from customers.
And you do have engineering team that you extend into your services as well. Was that?
Yeah, we have service engineering, we have application engineering, and product team here in the US.
Well, as we near the end of our conversation, maybe some last words on how to get in touch with you guys, how you go to market, how what are some resources available to prospects and customers. We can talk a little bit about that.
Yeah, well, we're always available in the US, and you can find all the contacts on our website. Um, we have hotlines, you know, engineering's answering hotlines in the working hours. And if there's any questions related to service technologies or any interest in, our new products, you can always reach out to us. We have also, sales hotline website.
What is that Flex O&M system that I remember from a previous conversation? Can you say a few words about that as well?
Yeah, yeah. So Flex O&M is it's our service portal. So
Mhm.
what it really is a so for the inverters, it communicates with the internet through a gateway, and we would call it Flex Gateway. So Flex Gateway enables the inverter to get on the internet, and customers can utilize that Flex Gateway to to access their system. Like we can give access to customer for the portal, so they can see how the inverters are performing. That's from customer side, but the other side is the service side. So in case, for example, if there is a unit having technical issue, we can get the authorization from customer to access that unit and to see if there's anything that we can do remotely. For example, sometimes it's just a power cycle or like a firmware upgrade can fix the issue. That way we can
Yeah.
do remotely instead of having to roll a truck to the field to take a look at that. Sometimes these projects are really far away in the middle of nowhere, so you can save a lot, from that perspective.
Well, Zion, thank you so much for this great overview of CPS America's solutions for the US market and deep dive into the products, uh, understanding of your capabilities, service capabilities, talking about your service center in Texas, 20,000 live 10 gigawatts of live assets across the US. Thank you for sharing all this information with Solar Academy.
Yeah, thank you for having me. Thanks, Care.